Hi everybody, welcome again. Today we have a new tool in Adobe Illustrator. This tool inspires you with new ideas for logos or designs. I'm talking about Width tool. Let's start. This tool is used for increasing or decreasing the thickness of lines or any stroke, like this. I will draw any line like this and increasing the stroke and select Width tool. Now I can increasing or decreasing the thickness in any point like this, or decreasing in any point. But when I increasing or decreasing, it will increase or decrease in the two sides. If I wanted to increase or decreasing in only one side, click on Alt button and choose the side like this. This tool also works with shape, but for stroke only and no fill, like this. I make an ellipse no fill, only stroke, and I can cut here and delete. Now I can increase the width here and decrease the width here. Now I have this shape and I can change the width profile from here like this. You can make a special designs with Width tool like this. I can draw any letters. I am not good in drawing, like this, or like this, and you should make it basic. Increase the stroke and use Width tool. Can increase the width here, decreasing here, and decreasing here, like this. Width tool and increasing, decreasing, increasing, any design you want. This is a small example for Width tool. Now as an example I will do this logo with Width tool. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.